In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator in Shopify. This is a crucial process if you're looking to bring in outside help to manage specific aspects of your Shopify store, such as web design, inventory management, or marketing. Whether you're collaborating with a freelancer or an agency, this streamlined process allows you to safely and securely add partners to your store while maintaining control over critical areas. Let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify admin dashboard, making sure you've logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's admin area. This is essentially the command center of your Shopify store, where you can navigate to various settings and functionalities that power your online business. From here, you're going to look for the Settings option, which is located towards the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on Settings. After selecting Settings, you'll find yourself presented with a variety of options to manage different facets of your store. From this menu, select Users, which is the section where you can manage all user-related settings, including the addition of collaborators. Making changes here affects who has access to your store, so do ensure you're making selections that align with your business needs. Once you're in the Users section, your next step is to click on Security. This section is crucial for safeguarding your store's data and ensuring that only authorized personnel have access to what they need. You'll want to navigate to Collaborators from here. By organizing your collaborators in the security area, you're ensuring that they have the appropriate level of access to assist you without exposing sensitive areas of your business. Now, within the Collaborators section, you'll have the opportunity to add the people you need. This is a straightforward process designed to facilitate smoother cooperative efforts. You may want to think about the specific permissions you wish to grant your collaborators at this stage, as this will help them assist you effectively while keeping your store secure. Remember, adding collaborators is a significant step that should reflect your trust and the business needs. Always tailor permissions and access levels according to the tasks and responsibilities assigned to each collaborator. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and grow your Shopify store with the right team. Whether you're expanding your operations or simply need a helping hand, these guidelines will help ensure a seamless process for adding collaborators. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.